Hi, my name is Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And we're going to walk you through a project I created. So first of all, I took out this old Artist Loft canvas board from my bucket of old canvases. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a pastel coloring of yellow, purples, pinks, and blues on it. I do not have a need for yellow, purples, pinks, and blues. I have some leftover paint right now.
See?
And I need to use it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put the paint on the canvas. I kind of like that. I'm gonna let that dry and then we'll go from there. This is dry. I like it because it kind of looks like fire. I have this stencil. It looks almost like a reindeer. This one looks like a buck. I could do the positive of the buck, or I could do the negative and make it so like the inside of the buck is fire. The outside of it is a completely different color, and then maybe put a saying over here. The thing is I don't know what to do as a saying. I could also do it over here too. I turn it around and do that. If you can kind of see right through this, you can kind of see that there would be some marks right there that may not make the deer or the buck look normal. This right here might be the answer because it's got that section right there. It'll kind of sculpt it a little bit. I'm going to put a small piece of tape underneath so it sticks on both sides. Whites, burnt sienna, raw umber. I think those are some good colors to use. You know what would really be helpful if I had some spray adhesive? Then I could spray adhesive this stencil down and have a really clean line.
We're just gonna do the best we can.
I'm gonna add some orange, raw sienna, and we're just gonna go around the edge. I'm trying to think of something that I can say that's like huntery or deery, and I'm not sure what that would be. Or something about hunting, or I could put something about life in there. Not sure. And what's kind of cool is you can kind of see some of the red and the green underneath it, and I think I like that. I'm curious to see what this looks like, so I'm gonna lift it up just slightly. I think I need a little bit more brown and get rid of some of this white, but I brought that white in to kind of pop the color a little. I'm getting some lift right there, so I need to stop a little bit and let it dry. However, I am going to come back and do a little bit more orange right there before I finish. It's got a nice halo of orange, and it kind of looks a little bit like autumn camouflage. I think we're finished with the background, and we're going to just let it dry.
That's pretty cool.
I like it. I have this outlined, highlighted, sealed, and it's ready for some possible embellishments. And I found these stickers that I had in my Cranes of Hope stash. And if you want to know a little bit more about Cranes of Hope, I will list a link up in the corner now. I mean, the colors are a little bit off, but I think they'll work. But I'm really not sure where to put them. I'm gonna cut this apart so that I can kind of tool around with these and see where the best placement is. I am not sure if most people will like this sign, but hunting season is upon us, and I think they'll really like this sign. I think that looks kind of good. I kind of like that. So before I move forward, I thought I might distress these a little bit to give it a little bit more dimension. This color kind of blends right in, and in order to make it pop a little bit, I think I want it to be dark around the edges. And this is just some distress ink. I could use my distress oxides as well. This will work just fine. I'll get some walnut stain out.
Walnut stain.
Here it is, walnut stain. This is much darker. There, I think that looks a little better. That's not bad. If I add it like they're falling, that might be a little bit better. Yeah, I don't mind this one as much. Maybe switch this out, see what that does. I'm just gonna do it.
No time like the present.
There we go. It's done now.
No more hemming and hawing. Get it done. Get it done. Get it done.
It's done now. This looks okay to me. Hopefully you like it too. No guts, no story.
This is for all the hunters out there that just can't wait to go and kill frickin' deer.
Good luck, hunters, and hopefully you dig my sign. Happy fall! Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!